Solve this two-step equation. It's a two-step equation because it involves two operations, multiplication shown here and subtraction shown here. Let's take this equation and plug it into this template. So we get negative 3x minus negative 5 equals negative 22. We want to get rid of this negative 5, so we add negative 5 to both sides. So we get negative 3x minus negative 5 plus negative 5 equals negative 22 plus negative 5. Simplifying, we get negative 3x equals negative 22 plus negative 5 is negative 27. This expression involves multiplication, which we can undo with division. So we have negative 3x divided by negative 3 equals negative 27 divided by negative 3. So you can see both sides of the equation are divided by negative 3. Simplifying, we get x is equal to 9.